Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by checking prerequisites. Ensure you've stopped or scheduled cancellation for any active subscriptions, because Apple won't change countries with them active. Once done, add a payment method and billing address that match the new country, credit card, PayPal, or country-specific options. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID on the device you'll use. If changing on an iPhone, you may need to sign out of iCloud on other devices to avoid sync issues. This prevents errors during the switch. You then go into Settings and tap your name, then Media and Purchases, and choose View Account. Sign in if prompted. From there, tap Country/Region and pick the new country. This step updates the store catalog and tax rules. Once you select it, read and accept the terms and conditions, then enter the new billing address and payment method that match the country. Make sure information is exact. Mismatched details are the most common cause of failures during this middle step. You finish by verifying that your App Store and iTunes Store now show the new country's catalogs. Re-download any purchases that moved or became unavailable. Next, update subscriptions and add new local payment options if required, because previous services might be region-locked. If you run into errors, sign out of Media and Purchases, restart your device, and try again. This often clears temporary account locks. If problems persist, check for outstanding balances or active subscriptions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.